Beautiful. Okay, we're rolling. This is Pilot Robbie with this new airplane made partially out of construction foam. He cut the wing himself. Now, all right. Beautiful. Nice way to come down. "27th of August, 2024. Largo Flying Club, Largo, Florida. I'd say you got yourself a keeper.
I think so.
Oh, I like that maneuver. Nice. What size battery do you have on there?
2200, 3-cell.
Oh, I like that.
He's sitting there on his phone, then the light changes, and then then somebody behind him honks the horn. He's like, "Oh, fuck you!" And he sees a big cat.
All right. Love that. We've got some crosswind. Generally, the wind's coming from the east, but we have some crosswind involved, coming from the south. Pulling out all the stops. All right.
All done.
Beautiful. New plane. Pilot Robbie, thank you very much, sir.
No problemo.
Yeah, nice flight.